Hi Chris, how you doing?
I
You love your choo-choo?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Monique.
Thank you, Monique.
Yeah, I love the choo-choo too. Look at it. Wow. It has G.I. Joes on it. Do you want more toys?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Monique. Here it comes. Yeah, it did it. Yay. Here it comes. The train is going to Burlingame. Yeah, Burlingame.